so me and Layla are back, and this is right after that. This is right after I made this picture. And so right now, I'm gonna color it. So yeah, I'm gonna start coloring it. Wait, no, actually, I'm just gonna pause it and color it. So bye. Okay, so we're back, and this is what it looks like when it's all colored. Okay. So yeah. But sorry, I'm just watching TV. Okay, so I just used my old crayons. There's not really much more. And I love this pencil. Okay, so Layla. Do you like my new hat? It's just that he's got, see, it's his Reese's on it. Okay, so yeah. Bye. Bye, everyone. I'm gonna eat apple now. Should I eat some grapes? Or should I eat a pear? Or blackberries and some cranberries or the blueberries. I don't know. Oh, it's food. My food. My food. My food. My food. Bye-bye. Bye.